Here's the younger litter of 4.
Look at the window.
It's a little boy. 3 little girls. Get that toy. Or the dress.
Okay.
Oh, calling all dogs. Let's go see what's going on outside, which is absolutely nothing. Yeah.
Oh, everybody want to go outside.
It's raining. It's raining out there. Yeah. Y'all don't need those crates. Those are the crates I ship the puppies in. That's not how they're kept here. They're kept in playpens and they're doggy door trained. Uh-oh. So I lost everybody. Here I am. Brother coming to save the day.
Oh,
I lost everybody.
yeah, go.
Now, come on over here, sister.
Is your dress coming off?
No, it's just a little too big.
Uh-oh. Brother's got the toy.
All right.